За өнөөдөр хэдүүлээ онгоц ревю хийнэ.
За энэ өөрөө манай AV бол 90 өөр байгаа. За энэ ерөнхийдөө нийтдээ онгоц нь 16 камераар хамжигдсан бөгөөд хамгийн онцгой камер нь болохоор одоо энэ Мистаслийн дурангийн доор байгаа буюу тэр Мистаслийн үйл явцыг бичиж байгаа дуран байгаа.
За.
Тэгээд одоо Мистаслийн үйл явц болон онгоц дотор үйл явдлууд бүгдээрээ
Энэ степ бичиж байгаа.
дэлгэцээр ингээд ороод бичиж болно.
За.
Дэлгэцээр харагдаж байгаа.
This finger is going to push on the light.
Өөрөө нь болохоор одоо
Үзлэг гэдэг юм тий.
лазер болор солих дээрэс нь одоо виртуал дурангаар ерөөхдөө одоо нүдний ухрахыг шалгах үзлэг хийдэг юм онцлогооны аппаратууд байна. За одоо мис заслын нүд нь одоо энэ байх жишээ нэ. Тэгээд
Вау.
одоо мис заслын нүдэн дээр одоо энэ бол өөрөө ч нүү булчин чангарсан Strabismus гэдэг төрлийн өвчтний нүд юм байлээ. Тэгэхээр одоо энэ нүд нь өөрөө ингээд одоо ингээд булчингуудтай энэ булчингууд дээр нь дадлах хийнэ гэсэн үг.
За окей.
За энэ бол яг хүний нүд шиг биш боловч хамгийн ойрхон ойролцоо одоо аваадсан юм. За одоо энэ ахлах эмч маань энэ хөрөмжөнд юу харуулж байна гэхээр болор солих мис засал.
За.
Мис заслын симуляц хийж үзүүлж байна. Playing what you're doing.
Yes, definitely. This is a cataract simulator, cataract surgery simulator, so we can go through all the steps that the residents and young doctors need to learn to perform cataract surgery. In this moment, I'm trying to do a capsulorhexis, which is the first step. You can see that I'm using an instrument, and I'm opening and closing, and trying to grasp the tissue. See, there is nothing here, it's just the sensors that I can open and close,
За тэгэхээр
and it
одоо
works inside the simulator.
Монголд энэ төхөөрөмжүүд нэр нь байх байгаа юм шүү дээ.
Do you think that the Mongolian ophthalmologists have this kind of technology in their offices?
They do. Actually, it is a project with Orbis, and we are working with the first central hospital, and they have a similar to do surgery for cataract.
Okay.
And they're doing it. They have this is a different machine.
And
but
this?
No, this one no, because this is for diagnosis, and this one is for surgery. Actually, this quite be expensive.
Үнэхээр үнэтэй.
Yeah, but that's why we are developing the system that we donate to the first central hospital. So this is our interface. It's a human face,
Энэ бол
eyes,
хүний нүд.
nose, because it's
Нүд
important
хамаа. За энэ бол маш чухал.
for position to do the proper check.
За
So
одоо онцлогоо хийхэд заавал одоо ийм байралтайгаар байх хэрэгтэй тийм ээ.
yeah, this is the headset, which is similar in shape, weight, and like the standard one. Yes, you can. We have different lens like this.
За одоо өөр төрлийн линзүүдтэй байгаа.
Standard one is without the cable. It's just the clinical.
Стандарт нь болохоор одоо ийм кабелгүй юм байна л да.
So we're gonna check this patient. Let's see this random case. So we're gonna start, and I have to act like being with a real patient. Okay. So you're gonna see here what I'm seeing here. So,
Okay.
So you can see the face is very realistic. There are many diseases inside the eye, so we need to check for that very careful. And it takes time to have this training, but the question here is that we can repeat again and again without harming any patient. And to make a proper diagnosis, you have to go to the entire periphery for 360 degrees. So you have to go to these areas here. So already asked the patient to see the right side. See, the patient is seeing to the right. So I have to approach, and I see in a different area that you can see here.
За тэгэхээр одоо энэ хүн маань баруун тишээ харсан бөгөөд би нүднийх нь одоо ухаагийн доторхын өөр үнцгээс бахарах боломжтой болж байна гэсэн.
I should modify also my body posture to get the. See here.
Yeah.
So we have to go all the periphery to have a proper examination of the retina. And the system provides like a score or feedback system that tell you if you did it well, if you found what you have to see. Everything is, I mean, software is very good. And it's designed to provide a lot of information that sometimes in a clinical scenario you cannot detail very specific. I'll show you. Just can you hold this?
Барьж байгаарай гэнэ.
Sense the weight. And this is a real one.
За одоо энэ бол оригинал нь тий. Бодис байдлаар одоо энийг
They're similar. I mean, these are a little bit different in size,
Yeah.
but we also have one similar of this and also this. You wanna try?
чи үзэх үү?
Yeah.
You wanna play the doctor?
Yeah. Okay. Энэ зөвхөн нэг practice хийх зориулсан гэдэг байгаа шүү дээ. Бодит нөгөө төхөөрөмж нь Монголд яг байдгийг болоо.
Байхгүй гэнэ. So do you think that we have the original equipment also here in Mongolia?
I don't know. Can you see through the? You should be able to see the face. Can
Харж
you?
байна нүрийн?
No, I can see.
Yeah. Try to fix. And put your fingers here.
За одоо хуруунуудаа энд тавиарай гэдэг.
Sorry. Hold it.
За бариарай гэж.
Yes.
За хуруугаа тэнд байршуулаад. Одоо ингэж.
Yeah, I can see.
Of course, you don't have a lot of experience doing this, but
Right.
it's just to show you how easy it's for you to
Yeah.
get familiar with it. Now you're doing it very well.
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah, I can
Now
see.
you're a doctor.
Ингээ энэ ч авчихсан шүү дээ.
Thank you. Тэг ер нь энд ингээд шууд яриа дадлах хийхээс илүү зүгээр онлайнаар ч гэсэн одоо ч цөөхий доног байгаа шүү дээ. Онлайнаар ч гэсэн нэг удаа л бараг ирж байгаа бах тий. Онлайнаар ч гэсэн энэ талаар ингээд ер нь мэдээлэл аваад энийг ер нь онлайнаар хичээл энтрийг үзэх нь боломж байдаг болов.
So
Онлайнаар дадлагчих
the
бол.
FEH is coming for a very short time. So is it possible to also learn online?
Yes, definitely. You should be aware of our CyberSide portal. CyberSide. Can you speak about that later?
Sure.
You know about CyberSide. Are you familiar? Yes. There is a huge amount of information in CyberSide focused in eye health. A lot of videos of surgeries, lectures, a lot of material that when I say we, it's a lot of doctors from different countries in the world. And I think it's one of the most solid and robust platform regarding medical learning, but it's dedicated only to ophthalmology. Any doctor, any nurse, or medical student can have access to this material for free.
Free.
Free, yes, correct. And they can go and start from very, very basic things also to very advanced. Actually, we have all these lectures going to be uploaded to this platform, so you can see it anywhere in the world at any moment. I want to mention something because it's important about CyberSide and Mongolia. Recently, 2 days ago, we broadcast our surgeries from the classroom, from the operating room to the classroom, and from there we broadcast to the world. And we have participants from, of course, Mongolia, China, Pakistan, India, United States, Mexico, Guatemala, Australia, different places in the world. We can also go to CyberSide, and there is a lot of pictures, and you can upload one picture and ask the system, our artificial intelligence system, and they will reply immediately in 10 seconds about the case, and it tell you yes or no. I mean, this is a not very simple question, but the answer is yes or no. As a doctor, I can have a doubt of patient. I just upload the image and say, is this patient having diabetic retinopathy? And the system, our only AI only case, and the system will tell, okay, yes or no. If it's a yes, as a doctor, you have to consider what is the next step to do it. And if it's a no, okay, you say, okay, patient, you're good to go. Please come back probably in 6 months or something. This is something that is it works very well for ophthalmology.
Is it AI person?
Actually, it's generated. You see symmetric and perfect voice and vocalization, yes.
If you'd still like advice from a human expert,
This is
you
This is explain how the system works.
Thank you so
No,
much.
so much.
My pleasure. Thank you for your visit.
Энэ заяа Жак мис заслын үйл ажиллагааг нь эндээс шууд ингээ харах боломжтой байгаа юм байна оюутнууд.
За энэ бол яг одоо actual заслын бүрэн томогдсон одоо өрөөнд байна. Дөнгөж сая нэг хүний эмслэг хийгээд дуусгаад одоо манай сүүлэгч нар цэвэрлэгээ ариутгал тий эмслийн дараах бэлтгэлээ хийж байна. За тэн зогсож байгаа эмч маань болохоор мдэггүй жүлэгчийн эмч маань байна. Энэ манай эмч болохоор эмслийн эмч байна.
Someone who hasn't had cataract surgery, so there must be a connection somewhere. Катарактын нөхцөл хийгдэж байгаа хүмүүстөө арын дээр
Wow.
Ignited, then the engine gains idle speed.
Тэгэхээр тэр эхлээд нэг 3 дээдлийн товчиг ингээд доош нь татдаг байх нь шүү дээ. Тэгэхээр юу нэгддэг вэ гэхээр одоо нэг юм одоо хөдөлгүүрийн одоо нэг юм хаалт нэгддэг юм байна л да.
Энэ нь нисгэгчийн ер нь хийдэг хамгийн ихний үйлдэл үү ер нь?
No. They spend about 45 minutes to an hour setting up all their navigation so that they know where they're flying, and they have various points along the way where they turn a little bit or do something different with altitude, and that all gets programmed into the computers, and the autopilot will fly that route. And they'll monitor that as they go, and if things change, if they get different instructions from the ground, they will change the flight. So they go through, they check all their instrumentation, all their radios, make sure everything works before they start it. So the engines, each engine, there are 3 engines, each engine has a generator that produces electricity.
Okay.
Each engine has 2 hydraulic pumps. The flight controls all require hydraulic fluid to operate. So there are 6 pumps total from all 3 engines put together, 6 pumps. And if all of the hydraulic pumps on the engines fail, we have a windmill that can drop out. We pull the handle right here.
Okay.
And it drops out into the airstream and it turns, and it can provide either electric power or power to those electric hydraulic pumps. So if we lose all power, we still can drop that down and have some power to land.
Great.
Одоо энэ мэргэжлэр хэдэн жил ажиллаж байгаа юм бол?
How many years do you work as a professional here in the plane?
Well, I've worked as an aircraft mechanic for nearly 50 years.
Wow. Энэ онгоцон дээр хэдэн жил вэ?
At this plane? How many
Oh,
years?
this plane? Well, I worked on this airplane when I was a young mechanic at FedEx.
Nice.